Let's have a look at the first topic, which is defining distributed system. In this topic, we will have a look at different definitions of distributed systems. Here we have the first definition of the distributed system. It consists of two parts. The first part describes the organization of the distributed systems, where it consists of a group of computers that are working together. From the end user's point of view, a group of these computers is perceived as a single computer. In the second part, it describes about how the computers should be working together. For the computers that need to be working together, they will share states. In order for that to happen, they need to operate concurrently. If one of them fails, it shall not affect the whole system. So that is the first definition. The second definition for the distributed system also have two parts. The first part describes the characteristic of the computing resources, where it spreads across numerous computers. These computers are connected by network. In the second part, it describes the number of services and the type of services provided by these computers to facilitate the distributed applications. Now we have two definitions. What are we going to do with it? Looking at the first definition and the second definition, can you spot their commonalities? Do they share common items between these two definitions? If you are able to spot them, write those in your class notebook in the Microsoft team.